Welcome back for another Apecoin price prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, Apecoin continues to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. And the next key area of resistance that we need to see a break above lies at around the $1.6287 mark. And a break above that with a successful retest, then we can easily see Apecoin get above the $2 mark in the next coming days. We are also holding above a significant area of support at around the $1.286 mark. And as long as that key area of support continues to hold, there are chances that we can continue expecting higher prices here on the Apecoin chart. Apecoin has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures. And zooming out on the charts to first give you a recap of what has been happening over the past few weeks, you can see that on the 9th of October, we saw our low down here at around the $0.99 mark before we started this massive breakout to the upper side, breaking above significant areas of resistances in a move that gave us a high above the $1.57 mark in what we can term as an Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. So we can term this whole movement as a wave 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, whatever we expect next is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And once we have a low in place for the second wave, we can expect another massive bounce in the formation of this wave 3. Then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upper side. And to give you minimum target areas for the second wave, I can connect the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618. And that is between the $1.36 and the $1.227 mark, the area that I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And you can easily see that Apecoin gave us a bit of a pullback into the area. We saw a reaction and saw these bounces over here, though we have been unable to break above significant areas of resistances. And what that means is that there are chances that since we have been rejected by significant areas of resistances, in the next coming hours, in case we continue seeing further weakness in the markets, then there are high chances that Apecoin is going to give us a bit of a pullback into this area once more. And maybe at some point, we hit our support at around the $1.262884 mark, where we can expect another bounce to the upper side. And if we lose that, then I will be expecting Apecoin to fully maximize this blue target area, get a low in place for the second wave, see a reversal to the upper side, breaking above significant areas of resistances in an impulsive move in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. We also need to have in mind that there are also chances that we could have a low in place for the second wave, since we saw a bit of a pullback into our minimum target area and even saw some reactions to the upper side over here. And there are chances that maybe we might gain some strength, see a reaction, that is, see a reversal from the prices that we are trading within, continue gearing up, breaking above significant areas of resistances, and then put a high in place in the formation of this wave 3. And assuming that we have a low in place for the second wave, then using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, we can get a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $2 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upside to do, then expect a wave 4 and then continue gearing up even higher in the formation of that wave 5. So those are the movements that we need to keep our eyes on. And have in mind that there are high chances of seeing a bit of a pullback back into this blue target area, get one more new low in place for the second wave before we can continue gearing up. And on the worst case scenario, in case we see that pullback into the area, and maybe break out of this blue target area to the lower side, then that will be suggesting an even more bearish scenario where we can easily see a reset of the lows that we made at around the $0.99 mark. So that is all I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Apecoin chart, and I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.